Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Explain to Explore. First of all, very good and very happy new year to all of you. Hope 2021 is going to be a rocking year for you, and it's going to be a very good and very eventful year for you. And I wish all the very best for the coming days of the year. So in this video I am going to explain how to design or how to display the pattern I have already shown in the output screen. So this is the actual pattern. In the last video I have shown the values or the bit values, that means you can say 1010 as a bit values. So they are printed in alternative position. So that means first one was 1, next one was 0, next one was 1, and in this way. But here in this particular pattern or particular pyramid, you also can say that one, I am going to display in I am going to print 1 0 in alternative way obviously, but in each rows. That means for each rows it's starting from 1, and next value will become 0, next value will become 1, and the next value will become 0, and so on, so on. So that means in each row it will start from 1, and automatically it will be increased by 1, and the next element of each row will be printed according to the alternative value of 1 and 0. So this is the actual aim of this code. So as you can see, we have taken the height. That means in this example we have taken 7. So this is the height, this is the label of the pyramid: 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, and this will be taken as a print as an input from the user. So I am entering into the main execution of the code, and how this code will be executed, and what is the actual procedure of printing this means logic, or how to use those logic for printing those pyramid or pattern, I will explain. So I have divided the screen into two halves. The first halves will print or will help you to understand, or will help you to check the screen of the code, and the right side I will explain, or I will try to do the dry run. So in the last lecture I have already explained what is nested loop, so I am repeating that one. When one loop is used under another loop, so this is called nested loop. So as you can see here, a loop which is the inner loop is used under one outer loop. So that's why this kind of concept is called nested loop concept. So sometimes some people say that the outer loop as I loop and inner loop as J loop. No, this is not the proper way of means determining any loop. So this is your outer loop, whatever I have highlighted already, and this is your inner loop. So within that outer loop, we are writing into, or drawing or designing the inner loop. Depending upon the value of I, the outer or the value of the outer loop, the inner loop will be executed. So that means if the value of I is equals to 1, this loop will be executed for once. If the value of this loop is 2, or I outer loop is 2, so this loop will continue up to 2, or 2 times it will be printed. Now the actual condition is coming over here. So let me write down the little bit of explanation over here. So we are going to print that 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0. So how it's working, so just have a look. This is I equals to 1, this is I equals to 2, this is I equals to 3, this is I equals to 4, and this one is J equals to 1, this is J is equals to 2, this is J is equals to 3, this is J is equals to 4. So as I have already said, for the first time, or for the first iteration, the inner loop will be executed for once, because as you can see, I is equals to 1, so J is running from 1 to 1, that means once it will be executed. For the next iteration, when I will become 2, so I here, as you can see, I has become 2, so 2 times the elements of each rows will be printed. This elements within the row is controlled by the inner loop. That means the variable which is used for that one is J. So now the value of j here is 1 and value of j over here is 2. So if 1 is percentage 2, I can perform, so I will get 1, so you are getting 1 over here. So here as you can see, the value of j is 2, so if I perform 2 percentage 2, I am going to get 0. So you can see 0 is over here. For the next one, 1 2 3, so for 1 it's printing percentage 1 percentage to 1, so it's printing 1. For the second value 2 percentage 2, it's printing 0, so this is 0. For third value 3 percentage 2 equals 2, it will become 1, so it will show or it will print that 1. So as you can see in this code, j percentage 2 is used. So depending upon the value of j and doing the remainder operation or modulus operation on using 2, we are getting 1 or 0 or 1 or 0 in alternative way. So we are actually printing these values depending upon the row, the element value or element position value of the row. That means this is first element, this is second element, this is third element, this is fourth element of the row. So if I if I perform 1 percentage 2, I will get 1, so that means this 1 will be printed. If I perform 2 percentage 2, so this 2 is actually the row position or element position. So depending upon the value, we are going to get 1 0 1 0 and so on. So as you can see in this code, we are having one new line, because after printing each and every rows, we have to transfer the control to the next line so that the next row will be properly printed. So I am going to do the dry run over here for I equals to 1, I less than equals to h, I plus plus, for, so putting a curly bracket over here, j equals to 1, j less than equals to I, j plus plus, printf, and this is going to be printed according to j percentage 2, and here we are going to print the new line, that means printf slash n. So as you can see, this is the step number 1. So from that step we are going to step number 2, from that step we are going to step number 3, from that step we are going to step number 4, from here we are going to step number 5, from here we are going to step number 6, this is actually semicolon, from here we are going to step number 4. If the step number 4 is false, that means this condition is false, so it will come out from that step number 4, it will enter into step number 7. So from that step number 7 we will go to the step number 8, then we will be transferred to step number 2. So again we are coming to the outer loop. So as you can see, from the outer loop we are entering into the inner loop. After completion of inner loop, we are printing the new line. This is within the outer loop. So this portion is within outer loop, this is also within our outer loop. So this new line will be printed, and after completion of this execution of this statement, it will go to the next iteration of the outer loop, and then the new value will be checked with the height. If height is if the value of the height is within the range and within the expected range, so it will enter again to the inner loop, and the next part or next steps will be properly followed. So this is the actual situation or actual case is going on. So I'm going to show you the result. So and I'm going to do some little bit changes over there, very simple change, and it will change the complete output. So first of all, to check this output, as I have already shown that output, that means in each row we are starting from 1, and alternative way we are printing 1 0 1 0 1 0. So that 0 and 1 we are getting actually from the that row position of, or row position value of that particular row. That means first position is 1, second position is 2. So whenever you will calculate the remainder for 1, the 1 percentage 2, it will get 1. When we are coming to the next position, that means 2, so whenever you will perform 2 percentage 2, so you are going to get 0, and in the next part, in the position number 3, so you are going to 3 percentage 2, you are going to get again 1, so 1 0 1 0 1 0 and so on, you are going to get. Now let me do a very simple change. So instead of putting j, I am going to put I over here. So what will happen? it will completely change the output. So let's check the output, how it will look like. So first of all, let me take the height. 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 because for the first position the value of I is 1, so 1 percentage 2 is 1. For the next position the value of 2 I is 2, so 2 percentage 2 is always 0, so 0 0 is printed. For the next the I value is 3, so whenever I perform 3 percentage 2, it will again show you 1 1 1 and so on. So this is the actual logic in behind this pattern. So as you can see, we from a very simple and very easy code or easy logic, we are getting two completely different pattern and pyramid. So I hope you will you have enjoyed that video, and you will be able to perform some more pyramid related code by yourself. And if there is any kind of problem you are facing, feel free to ask me, feel free to comment any suggestions if you have. And if you have some more expectations from this channel, so you can put that particular expectation over there also. You can write down some email to me, and you are going to get this code from my website, and I will give the link of that website in my description box, and you will be able to visit that website, and you will get this code very easily. And I am having some more blogs over there, so you can visit them also. So if you are interested for doing some good work in coding and logic creation, anytime you can visit my channel and visit my website. And you also can send me email, and through email I can answer your problem, I can help you through this channel also. So thank you for watching my video, and I hope you have gained some knowledge, gained some idea. So if you have gained some knowledge, if it's you are happy with my video, so please do not forget to click on the like button. Do not forget to subscribe my channel, and please share my channel. And of course click on the bell icon, so that you will be able to get some notification when I will put some new video in my channel. So thank you for watching my video again, and stay healthy, stay happy, and be bindas, and do not forget to learn something new. Thank you very much.